syempre i-share pa natin yan para mas dumami ang views. Ayan na, nagtitilian na nga ang ating mga kapamilya. Kaya naman nagpapasalamat kami lahat sa lahat ng mga taga-Barangay South Triangle for supporting our event. Ready na ba kayo? Yes, again, gandang gabi mga kapamilya all over the world. Welcome to Call Me Mother Grand Media Day Live dito sa Vice Comedy Club. My name is Bon Haltea. I will be your red carpet correspondent dito sa Call Me Mother Grand Media Day. Excited ang lahat na makilala ang cast and creators ng pelikula magpapatawa at magpapaantig ng mga puso ng bawat Pilipino ngayong Pasko. Call Me Mother. Gusto namin malaman ang inyong mothering na opinions, reactions sa ating event tonight. And please do not forget to use our hashtag Call Me Mother, and hashtag Call Me Mother Grand Media Day. I'm sure excited na kayong makita kung sino nga ba ang cast and creators ang narampa sa ating red carpet. Kaya naman tawagin na natin sila. He is one of the writers and producers of Call Me Mother. Mga pamilya, give it up for Daniel Sanyana. Si Daniel Sanyana din ang associate producer ng And the Breadwinners and Partners in Crime. Ayan, ibalakan lang sa ating red carpet. Daniel Sanyana. Ako talaga personally, I have high regard sa ating mga writers. Kaya naman congratulations ngayon pa lang. At patuloy na nga nagdadatingan ng ating mga cast na nandito. Of course, tawagin na natin from the historical collaboration of Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Edition. Mga kapamilya, tawagin natin River Joseph!
Esmir. Esmir and Shubi.
Kasabay natin tawagin Esmir Ratorio and Shubi Etranda! Ang Gen Z darling na punong-puno ng charm, chika, at confidence sa bawat ganap with left and right branded and provincial events, really a star in the making. Yan si Shubi Etranda. From viral to versatile, the ultimate Gen Z mood, always bringing wit, paandal, at good vibes from ruling the online world with a super nakakaaliw na mga content to landing major endorsements and now stepping back on this big screen, Esmir Ratorio. Ang charmer na kahit chill, may impact while serving looks, laughs, and loads of charisma. Not just a cutie, but also certified sporty. He recently played against South Korea for basketball game with Minho and NCT Johnny, River Joseph. Ayan, naglalakad lamang po sa ating red carpet, Shubi Etranda, Esmir Ratorio, and River Joseph. You guys, take a welcome sa ating red carpet. Also known as Nick Brand from making history as the first Kapuso Kapamilya duo to win PBB Collab Celebrity Edition, to being honored with a Not TV Seal Awards. Truly unstoppable ang dalawang ito. Mga kapamilya at kapuso, Mika Salamanca and Brent Manalo! Ayun na nga, bumababa na nga sa kanilang car, sina Mika Salamanca and Brent Manalo. The social media influencer turned actress, serving authenticity, grace, and aura na ngayon ang big screen at aabangan pa ng upcoming music under Star Pop. Yan si Mika Salamanca. From runway to red carpet, siya naman ang gentleman heartthrob na pinag-aagawa ng high-end and local brands. Now gracing the big screen, truly the leading man to watch out for, Brent Manalo.
Out natin pa.
Ayan, naglalakad na po sa ating red carpet, Brent Manalo and Mika Salamanca. Wow. matching outfit for this event.
Go, Shara.
Tawagin naman natin ang susunod natin makakasama sa ating red carpet. Grabe, napakahusay ng mga aktor ang makakasama natin. Sina MC Moa, Iya Mina,
3K.
Sweet Lapus, Carmen Martin, and Chanda Romero. From screen to stage, ang comedian, actor, vlogger, host na may extra muwang factor kapag nandun siya sa eksena, guaranteed ang tawa mula sa Beauty and the Bestie hanggang sa end the breadwinner is si MC. Of course, ito naman si Iya Mina from cracking jokes to winning Best Actress sa 2018 Cinema One Originals Plus nomination sa FAMAS, Gawad Urian, and Luna Awards. Ang level niya hindi lang witty, kundi talented on another level talaga. Ang ultimate multi-hyphenate, acting, hosting, comedy, directing, theater, and performer. Have a sweet job, Lapus. If you ask me if he's an all-rounder, correct ka dyan. And of course, with her iconic lines, maaagawan ka, lumaban ka, shining, shimmering, splendid, Miss Jonette Bayag. The glamorous, sharp, and unforgettable Miss Carmen Martin proves why she's a truly showbiz legend. And of course, veteran actress, style icon, and forever a powerhouse, Miss Chanda Romero. Gawad Urian 2025 nominee and just wrapped her character in the hit series FPJs at Batang Quiapo. Once again, MC Moa, Iya Mina, Miss Chanda Romero, Sweet Jan Lapus, Miss Carmen Martin. Tawagin naman natin sa ating red carpet, the director of Call Me Mother, Direk June Lana.
Ito,
The master storyteller behind
Iwasan mo
iconic
talaga yung mga
films
lines.
like
Sira kasi
Born
yan.
Beautiful, Canel, King Boys, Ten Little Mistresses, Becky and Badette, and the breadwinner is truly comfy, deeply moving, and always telling stories straight from the heart. Best Director Awardee sa Tallinn International Film Festival ng Talent at Vision in One, Direk June Lana. At eto na nga, the lead stars of the anticipated family movie of MMFF 2025 this Christmas. Mga kapamilya, Vice Ganda, and Nadine Lustre with Lucas Angalion. Lucas Angalion, little charmer na dapat nating abangan. Cute, lovable, at guaranteed to steal your heart. Kasama na natin, Nadine Lustre, 3-time FAMAS Award winner. She's now considered an LFF royalty, a performer, Gen Z leader, advocate, style icon, the president, and now our mother. She doesn't just shine, she stays every moment. And of course, Vice Ganda! 73rd FAMAS Best Actor Awardee, MMFF royalty, superstar sa lahat ng platforms, at leader in film, TV, music, business, at LGBTQIA advocacy. She's the phenomenon, making every scene a headliner. RMA, Meme Vice Ganda! Ang ating cast and creators para sa ating Sir Daniel Sanyana, Shubit Rata, River Joseph, Esmir Renolio, Mika Salamanca, Brett Gabriel, Camila, Sweet Lapus, Carmen Martin, and Miss Chanda Romero. Of course, Direk June Lana. Our lead stars, Vice Ganda and Nadine Lustre.
ito dumani.
Again, with over 20 million views online, Ang full trailer nga ng Call Me Mother ay talaga namang inabangan at pinanood ng ating mga kapamilya sa online world. Again, sa ating mga pamilya, please do not forget to use cute, lovable, organic kasama rin natin, Nadine Lustre, 3-time FAMAS Award winner. She's now considered an LMFF royalty, a performer, Gen Z leader, advocate, style icon, the president, and now our mother. She doesn't just shine. Again, sa ating mga pamilya, please do not forget to use our official hashtags for this event. Hashtag Call Me Mother and hashtag Call Me Mother Grand Media Day.